to my channel Cheeky Journals. This is Tracy and I'm quickly going to make a video showing you how to use the mermaid markers or how to get them to work the first time you've bought them, since I have realized and seen some questions about this that people are quite unsure. So stay tuned if you are interested in something like this. I just have a piece of paper and some paper towel. The paper towel is just there in case of spillage. Hopefully that won't happen. The pack of mermaid markers I bought is called Shimmering Sky and it's got glitter inside them. Ooh, exciting. So inside of the pack you will see instructions and some useful information. On each mermaid marker you will notice that there's a yellow ring. Just unscrew the cap and remove the yellow ring. This is a disposable ring, so don't return it back to your mermaid marker as you'll just cause leakage. When you screw the cap back onto your mermaid marker, make sure you do it securely. You will hear a clicking sound and that is basically just allowing the ink to flow through to your brush. Before using the mermaid markers, just shake it vigorously for about 30 seconds. That's just allowing the glitter to disperse throughout the barrel. Then lightly press on the barrel and you'll see the ink starting to flow through. And then just start painting. This color is Aurora Australis. At first you will notice that the brush is quite hard. As the ink starts flowing through, it will soften the bristles and it will become softer. You don't have to press down on the barrel every time you use your mermaid markers. You just do it for the first time to get the ink to flow through, and afterwards it should come through freely, and if it doesn't, then just give it another push. You'll hear there's a ball inside of the mermaid marker and that's just because there's glitter inside. So this is called polar lights, and with polar lights I had to give a bit of a slight push, and then I am just painting with the marker to see if the ink is coming through, and it didn't come through at first, so I just gave it another slight push. Don't push too hard, otherwise you'll have loads of ink flowing through and it will just be a mess. I can see the ink collecting on the nib as well. You will notice that clearly. And when you store the mermaid markers, make sure to store it upright. Otherwise, if you do not do that, you'll just have the ink collecting inside of your cap. This color is Milky Way. And there's a nice amount of glitter in the mermaid markers. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick that up on camera. My last color is Planet Gliese. So with this pack, you get a blue, a green, and 2 pinks. The colors will at first show up very dark just because a lot of ink is coming out that we're trying to spread around, and it will become better as you use it more. I'm now going to use my new mermaid marker pack just to play around with it and create 2 girls. I'm also using the Beach Mermaid marker, an Epic pen, and a white gel pen. I'm using Jane's face stamps just to create a face, and I'm using archival ink because I don't want the mermaid marker to activate that ink. So this is a waterproof ink. You will see me using the mermaid markers in a variety of different ways. I am using it directly onto the paper and just keeping it as it is. And I'm also applying it onto acrylic block and diluting it with a little bit of water just to get a lighter application. The third way I used it in this video is just to apply it to the paper very roughly, and then taking a brush with water and basically spreading the ink out. This gives you a very rough and textured look. So I am going to play some music, and you're welcome to watch me create these two girls. I had so much fun, and I hope that you are having fun with me. If you enjoyed this video and you found it useful and you would like to see more of these kinds of videos, then give me a like. And if you have any questions, pop them into the comment box and I will get back to you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.